Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use 9proxy on your iPhone, right? So without wasting my time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your 9proxy account, right? Yeah, so on the dashboard, this is what you see over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have 29 IPs, but then that's not what you're going to use in this video, because with these IPs you can just use it on your PC. Okay, so what you need to do is to get a gigabyte proxy, right? So you head over to this place, okay, and then go to share code. That's where you are going to redeem our code, right? So I have my code over here. All I need to do is to paste it and then redeem. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully redeemed my gigabytes, or which is the proxy. So if you need some, I have many proxies available right now. Yeah, you can just text me. I'll leave my number in the description. Yeah, so if you text me, I'll get you some at a very cheap price. Yeah, at a very cheaper price as compared to the one on the website. So as you can see, I have 2 gigabytes here, and this is the expiry, right? Yeah, so this is the gigabyte you're going to use, the proxy you're going to use on the phone. So this is how to connect it. You head over to these 3 dashes over here, and then you choose the gigabyte, not the IPs, I mean the gigabyte. Okay, so when you tap on it, you'll be seeing your balance over here. Okay, so you're going to tap on get proxy, right? Get proxy. Yeah, so before you'll be able to connect it, you have to get a subdomain, okay, or you create a new user. So you tap on add new. Okay, then you're going to create a name. So let's say the username should be small letters, right? So let's say premium, right? Okay, premium. And also the password should be let's say premium 123. Okay, so let me go again. Premium 123, right? And I'll just with the allocation, since the 2 gig is not anything much, I'll just tap on unlimited, right? And I'll select the 2 gig, or you can just split it, right? So you can choose whether to use 1 gig. Yeah, so okay, let me go in for 1 gig, right? Yeah, then I'll tap on add sub user. So as you can see, we've created it successfully. My password is even here. Yeah, so take note, this is a very important place, right? So what you need to do is to select the country you want. Yeah, so let's say you want United States. You just type in United States over here. So United States. With the host, you are just going to leave it like that. If you have any state in mind or city, you just input those stuff here. Yeah, with the session type, let's choose sticky, because we want our IP to be stable, right? And with the duration, let's choose 120, because that's the maximum, right? So 120. Okay, so when you are done, this is your IP over here, right? So you copy it and then go to your potato. Yeah, so those of you that don't know potato, this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how potato looks like. So when you go to your potato, you go to choose a server, right? Choose a server, and you tap on this plus sign over here. Yeah, then you go to manual input. Then you are going to change the type to SOX 5, because you are dealing with SOX 5. Okay, so SOX 5. What you need to do is to paste your host. Yeah, so the host goes into the server in that order. So the port as well, you copy our port and then paste it over here. Once you are done pasting your port, you switch this part to password, since you have a username and password. So you go back and then copy and we paste our username. Okay, you go back again and then copy our password. Okay, so our password, as you can see, everything matches. Then you tap on the button over there, right? When you are done, you go back, then tap on connect. Okay, so right now we've connected our SOX 5 successfully. Let's go and then check if it's working. So let's visit whoa.net and check if our SOX is working there. Okay, so as you can see, our SOX is working perfectly. Our socks is working perfectly. So it is a simple video on how to connect your socks 5 or your 9proxy on your iPhone. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you need some of the IPs, you can just text me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the description. It's very affordable and cheap as well. Yeah, so see you in my next video.